Hey cruisers, welcome on board the Celebrity Reflection. In today's video, we're going to be giving you a room tour of cabin 6239. This is an ocean view veranda room, though it is considered obstructed. And I'll show you why we booked it, because there's a hidden perk by getting an obstructed veranda on this deck. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. This is an ocean view veranda cabin. Technically, it's considered an obstructed veranda, and I'll show you why in a minute. As you first walk in this room, you're gonna come to the bathroom, which is right here in front of you. So we'll open that up and go inside, and let's see what it looks like in here. When you come inside, you're gonna have your tube shower. It's kind of dark there. I know, I apologize. The lighting in this bathroom is quite dim. And then you have your toilet, and then a decent little area for your sink, vanity, and mirror. Moving on from there, coming into the rest of the room, you're gonna come to the closet first. The closet slides open. There's plenty of room for your hang-ups in there, as well as a second rack down here with your luggage. Moving on, we come to the bed. The bed has two nightstands, one on either side of the bed. One of them has a phone. And then above it is actually going to be some storage here. At times there might be bedding up there, but you can always put that under the bed and use that as elevated storage that's less dirty than being under the bed. Across from the bed is not the TV, it's actually just a picture frame here. So let's keep moving through the cabin. You come to the couch here, and this couch does have a trundle underneath it that pulls out and allows you to sleep a third person. Across from the couch is where we're gonna find our TV, our desk area, and some drawers and shelving. So there is your TV. As you can see underneath it, we have all of our welcome aboard papers. You have drawers and shelving here, and they're actually quite deep, which is pretty impressive. I wasn't really expecting how deep these drawers actually are. Next to that is your desk area with a vanity mirror there and just a couple shelves. And then finally, let's get to the point you've all been waiting for, the veranda. So this is the obstructed veranda, partially obstructed, and they say it's obstructed because you got that blue overhang, so you really cannot look down. But you'll see that even though we can't look down, it's worth it, because this veranda is actually much bigger than a standard veranda. I mean, look how much room there is on that deck space, even with the chairs there. So you do get a larger veranda on this spot, and you'll be able to look out when you're in port. You can look out, see anything that's going on. You just can't look directly below you because of this blue area that covers the deck below you, which is the main deck, deck 5. It's actually where the lifeboats are. You can kind of see there's a lifeboats running back there, but you do get this extended veranda, which is really nice. Comes with these two chairs, and it does come with a little table out here. The problem with the chairs now is that cruise lines are zipping them. You can see they're zip tied, so you cannot adjust those technically unless you go through and cut those. And I'm sure Celebrity doesn't want you doing that. I just wanted to point out my favorite feature is this area right here. This glass panel shows you exactly how much bigger the veranda is than the standard veranda on board this ship. It sticks out that much further. So if you look up standing next to that glass panel, it's unobstructed because you're gonna be able to turn around and look back at the smaller balconies behind you. So this is actually a very large veranda, 20 to 24 inches bigger than the standard veranda on board this ship. So while this is an obstructed veranda room, there is that benefit which we really liked, which is why we booked it, having that extra space. We hope this review was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. As always, you can use the QR code here or the link in the description down below to have Amy book the perfect cruise on the perfect itinerary for you, maybe even on board the Celebrity Reflection. As always, we appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next one.